Morning, my dear students. Ionic equilibrium. In this video, we are going to discuss about easy way to study Lowry-Cranstad acid-base theory. Lowry-Cranstad acid-base theory. The Lowry-Cranstad acid-base theory is also called proton theory. Is also called proton theory. First, I tell the theory. After that, I will tell what is meant by a proton. In Lowry-Cranstad theory, what is meant by acid and what is meant by a base? According to this theory, an acid is defined as a substance that has a tendency to donate a proton. To donate a proton is called an acid. And a base is a substance which has a tendency to accept a proton. An acid is a substance which has a tendency to donate a proton, and a base is a substance which has a tendency to accept a proton. Therefore, in other words, we can say an acid is a proton donor. An acid is a proton donor, and a base is a proton acceptor. A base is a proton acceptor. A proton donor and a base is a proton acceptor. Now, you may have one doubt. What is meant by a proton? A proton is nothing but hydrogen ion is called a proton. How it is called a proton? H plus ion is only called as a proton. Hydrogen atomic number 1. This atomic number 1 indicates that there is one proton inside the nucleus and there is one electron outside the nucleus. This is hydrogen atom. Total number of charges equal to 1, 0, 1 plus minus 1 equal to 0. If this hydrogen lost one electron, it becomes H plus ion. After loss of this one electron, it has only one proton. There is no electron. It containing only one proton. Therefore, H plus ion is called proton. So, according to Lowry-Cranstad, an acid is one which donate a proton and a base is one which accept that proton. For an example, hydrochloric acid HCl when added with H2O, aqueous water molecule, what happens? HCl donate a proton, therefore it is called acid. Water molecule accept a proton, therefore it is called a base. After donation of H plus ion, now we have only Cl minus ion, and after H plus ion accepted by water molecule, it becomes H3O plus ion called hydronium ion. Called hydronium ion. What happens in the reverse reaction? In the forward reaction, H plus is donated by hydrochloric acid. That H plus is accepted by water molecule. In the reverse reaction, what happens? See that Cl minus is converted into HCl. Therefore, hydronium ion donate a proton H plus ion to Cl minus. Cl minus accept that H plus ion. Therefore, this is called base. Remember, this Cl minus ion is formed from this acid. So, acid 1 gives base 1. and this H2O is formed from this acid. This is acid 2, this is base 2. One more thing I will tell about the conjugate acid and base. Now I will give one more example. Water molecule H plus OH minus, H plus OH minus, when added with ammonia NH3, ammonia, now what happens? Water donate a proton, therefore act as acid. Ammonia accept that proton, therefore act as a base. After donation of a proton, now we have only OH minus ion. When H plus is accepted by ammonia, we have NH4 plus. In the reverse reaction, ammonium ion donate a proton, therefore it acts as an acid. H plus ion accept a proton, therefore it is called base. So base is formed from this acid. This is acid 1, base 1. This base is formed from this acid 2, base 2. Lowry-Pransted, acid base. Now I am going to use one more word. Conjugate acid and conjugate base pair. Taking our first example, hydrochloric acid HCl plus water molecule H2O gives H plus donate a proton and becomes Cl minus ion. Water molecule accept that proton, becomes H3O plus ion. Just now we have discussed it. This is your acid, proton donor. This is your base, proton acceptor. And this is an acid, proton donor, and a base, proton acceptor. This base is formed from this acid. That base is formed from this acid. Therefore, it is called conjugate acid base pair. Conjugate acid base pair. And H3 water molecule, this acid base pair is also conjugate acid base pair. This is your conjugate acid base pair. HCl and Cl minus, H2O and H3O plus are two conjugate acid base pairs. That is, Cl minus is the conjugate base of the acid HCl, or HCl is the conjugate acid of Cl minus. Similarly, H3O plus is the conjugate acid of water H2O. Now we are going to see limitations of Lowry-Pransted theory. Limitations of Lowry-Pransted theory. Substances like BF3, aluminum chloride, etc., that do not donate protons, they are having no proton, are known to behave as acid, and this reason is not explained by the Lowry and Pransted concept. This is about the Lowry-Pransted acid base theory. I already told this theory is also called proton theory. In the incoming video, we are going to discuss a number of evaluate yourself under this Lowry-Pransted theory. So don't miss it. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe, share my channel. Thank you very much.
Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Today I am going to make a new video, so please whatever. Please I want to reach 1 million likes. So please subscribe. Yes. Okay, thank you.